Sri Lankan bird life is a breathtaking symphony of color and motion. Across the island, every dawn brings a new performance. In the mist-draped cloud forests, the brilliant blue magpie flashes like sapphire through ancient trees. Above them, the Malabar-pied hornbill glides with quiet majesty. Down by the shimmering wetlands, a kingfisher dives with lightning precision. And in the golden light of the plains, a wild peacock fans its iridescent feathers in a spectacular, unforgettable dance. With hundreds of species to discover, and dozens found absolutely nowhere else on Earth, this island is a true avian paradise. Experience the epic wild birds of Sri Lanka.